Hi, how are you? One of the questions that we get a lot is, how will I know if Acton Academy is right for my family? And that's a great question, because for us it's really important also that your family is the right fit for Acton. Because if you aren't, then you'll come to Acton expecting one thing and you'll get what we really are, and then you'll leave disappointed, and we'll also be disappointed. So it's important that we know that you're a great fit before you decide to come and we decide to accept you. So we tried to think of some test cases to help families relate more to our system. And the simplest one that I could think of was about tree climbing. So let me ask you a question. I want you to imagine for a moment that your child at about 6, so maybe your child's younger, maybe your child's older, but your child at around 6 is out in a park and sees a beautiful tree that looks just right for climbing. And he or she goes over and starts climbing up the tree. What is your reaction? If your reaction is to run over and say, "Cuidado, don't climb up the tree, it's dangerous, there's a risk you're gonna fall, you could break your head, people are gonna think I'm a terrible parent because I'm letting you climb a tree, you need to get down from that tree," then you might not be a great fit at Acton. You might not like Acton. On the other hand, if you're a parent who says, "Okay, I'm a little nervous, my child wants to climb that tree, but I know that climbing a tree is intrinsically an excellent learning experience for a child. It allows them to practice their grip strength, to look at a challenge and to enter a new world of climbing a tree and to do something new that does have some risk, but that if he or she is successful in climbing that tree, it's going to increase their confidence and their independence and their ability to tolerate risk, all of which are elements of resilience. So I think I'm gonna let my child climb that tree, but I'm also not a neglectful parent, and I definitely don't want my child to fall and break his head open or suffer a concussion. So I'm gonna go over there calmly, managing my own feelings of fear, and I'm gonna be nearby so that if I see that he really gets into trouble or is actually going to fall, I'll be there to catch him. But I will be giving the message that yes, it is safe to take risks in the world and to explore new things. And like a hero, to fail and maybe not climb the tree, or maybe fall from the tree and hopefully into my arms, and then that it is safe to go and try again. Why? Because these are the skills that children need as they get older and become adults in an uncertain world, for example, during COVID, to navigate a life that is filled with risk and that isn't always fair, and to do what they need to do in order to bring to bear their skills on the world and be happy, successful, and live a life of meaning. So it seems like it's just a tree, but that tree is really a lot more. So if you're the second example of a parent and you feel sometimes frustrated that your child doesn't have enough spaces to take risks and to learn to become resilient, then you might be the perfect family for Acton. And so I urge you to contact us on our website and to set up an appointment. I would love to tell you more about what we do and let you know what our application process is all about. Thanks a lot. Bye.